All you parents, you have to be very careful. You young ladies and young guys who don't really know how to swim, but you want to catch cruise, you want to go for a boat ride, yet you don't know how to swim just because you want to be like your friend. Be very careful. You guys should just be very careful. You can imagine if this lady did not know how to swim or there was no lifeguard on her. What will become of her today? Just imagine. Watch this video and see what's happening. Keep watching. Make sure you share this video, like, comment on it. This should be a lesson to you all. You can imagine she went for a boat ride and the boat capsized. Can imagine. Just watch closely. You will see her and you see the rider. Definitely, if not for God, I've been hearing something different now. And I believe the parents don't even know where she went to or where she is right now. But thank God for life. God really saved her life. Guys, you guys should be very careful. No allow make cruise carry your head. Which you know if you do, leave them. All this unnecessary flexing and enjoyment. Look at where he landed her now. Well, we thank God for saving her life. Guys, be careful. Just be very, very careful with the things you do.